Are you about to do some work on your house? Well, stop. Did you pull a permit for that work? Make sure you pull a permit for your work.
Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about permits and why they're important and when you should get them. Permits are something that come up a lot in the real estate industry. We deal with this every day. A permit is really your formal permission to begin construction on an addition or a renovation in your house.
So permits are typically issued by the city, county, or state, depending on the work that needs to be done. And they're really there to uphold code and safety standards.
The most common things that require permits are finishing your basement, adding things onto your house like a deck, or doing any electrical or plumbing work in the house.
Yeah, and though it might be tempting to not pull the permit in the first place to save that upfront cost, you might be hit with other costs later down the road if you don't pull the permit in the first place.
Yeah, the worst case scenario is if the county and city compare any of their records and find out that you have done work without a permit, you can be charged back taxes or fines for that work, or just be required to bring it up to code for the date.
Yeah, and when you pull a permit, most importantly, make sure you close it out. Make sure you close it out with a final inspection from the city, state, or county, depending on the work that had to be done. So really, in the end, it's gonna save you actually more money if you just do it right in the first place and pull the permit in the first place.
Right. If you've got any questions at all about permits, Kyle and I are always happy to answer them for you, as we have had some good experience with this area. And one of the biggest questions we get asked is, what happens if I've already done work in my house and I didn't pull permits? So we're going to come back and give you more information on that next week. So tune in for the next video.
Tune in next week.